So this is a 2017 Chevy Malibu, and the check engine light has come on. And after all the research that I have done, I think that it's the MAF airflow sensor. I took it to O'Reilly's and they plugged the little code reader in my car, and I'm getting an error that says P1101. So I'm gonna attempt to clean my MAF airflow filter with some cleaner. We're gonna see how it goes. Alright, so I got some of this MAF airflow sensor cleaner at O'Reilly's Auto Parts down the street from my house, and now I'm gonna go home and attempt to clean it. So this is the tool that I'm gonna use to remove the MAF airflow sensor. I guess it's called a star tool because it's in the shape of a star. Alright, so before this, I didn't even know how to put my hood up. So anyway, I unscrewed and disconnected the MAF airflow sensor, and it's right here. And I'm about to clean it. Hopefully my car works after this. Alright, I stuck it back in, now I'm going to screw it back in. It's already going London, so you don't have to press anything.
So Mommy, what are you working on?
Come here. So I'm screwing it. Do not drop my phone in here. Screwing it back in. I have one more screw to put in. We gotta be careful so we don't drop the screws. Shit.
And she almost dropped one. Because if you drop it, it might explode.
That was scary. I almost dropped it in there. So you gotta make sure it's tight.
Oh, the car's moving.
Don't push it back. Okay, it's tight back in there. As tight as I can get it.
Strong.
Alright, hold this.
Mommy.
What, baby? Alright, so I stuck it back in. It should be back in. Alright. Now, we're gonna turn the car on and see if my check engine light is gone. Check this out. The check engine light is gone.
In a hallway, got a sticky and I keep it in my dog's place. Girl, I left it, love it, magic, not all shade. Still going bad on you anyway.